What animal is that?
Oh, a lion!
Yeah.
And what noise does a lion make?
Make say, wow!
Roar!
Lion
That's
says
right.
roar.
Lion says roar. What animal is that?
Polar bears.
You're
That is
right.
polar bears. Yeah, and what is that? That is the...
Baby polar bears.
Yay.
And that is the...
Mommy bears.
Yay.
bear.
Polar bears.
That's right. All right, we're going to go to another one. What is that guy there?
A big giraffe. A big giraffe.
Yay.
Yeah, big giraffe.
Big giraffe.
He's got a really long...
A big giraffe.
He's got a really long
One neck.
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 He does have a really long neck.
Neck.
What is that?
Nay, nay, nay.
What says nay?
Nay. Don't say.
The what?
Nay.
What says nay?
The horn say. Honk.
The horse says nay.
Or it says nay.
Nay.
All right, let's see another one. What animal is this one? What are those guys? They're cute. What are they?
The penguin.
Yeah, they are penguins.
You're
I
right.
hear the penguin.
And there's a mommy penguin, and those are the...
Babies. They're babies.
They are babies. Look, they're behind their mommy.
Change her baby. Her baby. Baby. Polar.
What is this?
Pig. Pig.
All right, this is going to be a hard one now.
I can.
I guess it wasn't very hard. And the, and the camel has the big hump on his back.
I hear the cam. Here, listen.
I'm listening.
Oh, we saw one of these in the yard just the other day. What is...
A bunny rabbit.
That's right. We saw one that looked just like this. He had a little white tail, just
Tail.
like that. Yeah.
He's little bunny.
He is a
Bunny.
little bunny.
Is he cute?
Little bunny.
Is he
Bunny.
is he soft?
Cuddly. Cuddly.
Really cuddly. Really cuddly. Is there anyone you'd like to look at? Which animal do you like?
A gorilla.
Oh, okay. I forgot about that. We should have started with that one. Whoa. There he is. What does the gorilla do?
A gorilla.
And the gorilla, remember, goes boom, boom, boom.
No. I see another gorilla.
Oh, look, there's a... What is that?
She's scary. Hungry.
Yeah,
eating,
she is eating.
What's the gorilla eating?
Fruit.
What type of...
Fruit.
I bet you know this one. I bet you know this one.
A kangaroo.
That's
Yeah.
right. And what is he doing?
She's saying, hey,
Yeah, that's right.
he's a kangaroo.
He's a kangaroo.
And the kangaroo is...
Jumping.
Yeah, of course, he's
Good
jumping. Look how
girl.
high he can jump. Yeah, he's really...
Jump.
All right, I got one for you. Now, this one is really cute. I'm just going to tell you. This one's really, really cute.
Chinchilla. She's so cute.
Pretty cuddly, too, huh?
He's chinchilla.
Those chinchillas have very soft fur.
And chinchilla.
Yeah.